Determined to stop the undead scourge, High King Magni Bronzebeard is sending dwarven troops north to bolster the defenses of Stromgarde, a human kingdom standing between the dwarven realm and the undead scourge. However, to the shock of the dwarven defenders, a fleet of ghastly ships emerges off the west coast of Cosmodan, landing an undead army into the sparsely defended heartlands of the dwarven kingdom. Led by a great demon, the undead host besieges the ancient dwarven stronghold of Dumator. This fortress holds the holy vault of the dwarven kings, which contains the remains of the dead kings of Cosmodan. Even though word of the siege has barely reached Ironforge, the High King has already dispatched a unit of his royal Griffin Riders to protect the citadel. But until the reinforcements arrive, the defenders of the stronghold are on their own.
The astral barriers are almost breached. I can already feel how the link to the Lich King grows stronger every moment. When the circle of Ner'zhul is complete, he will be able to grant me the power to draw dwarven ancestral kings back from the realms of the dead.
With all their knowledge on our side, the dwarves of Cosmodan will stand no chance against the Scourge. The corpses of their warriors will soon walk among our ranks.
Yes, the Scourge will be unstoppable. Tremble, dwarves. The day of reckoning has come. Soon the tortured souls of your ancestors will pledge allegiance to the Scourge, and so shall you. Necromancers, take these ghouls and abominations and make the midgets aware that the end is near.
Yes, my lord.
To the slaughter!
The undead are attacking our stronghold already. Prepare your guns. The ancestors are growing restless. They sense that the presence of the Lich King is strengthening. Don't worry, Andun. I'll personally guarantee that those rotten bastards won't get anywhere near the vault before the High King's reinforcements arrive. Even the remains of my own father are contained there.
Do what you can, Kingbury. It has already been some time since we received the message of the reinforcements' departure. But it's a long way from Ironforge to here. Father! Dear God, something is drawing the ancestors closer to our plane of existence.
Eras Kingbury was spared. In the old sewers lie ancient weapons of great power. Seek them out.
Let's waste no more time. We have to gather all our forces and do as the ancestors wished. Andun, you remain here and perform your duties as the custodian of the vault.
¡Dame algo que hacer! ¡Fuera de mi camino! ¿Sí? Allá voy. Brillante.
King Bury, I bring a status report from the old gold mine.
So, tell me, how are things down there? Did we have any luck?
We have gathered as much gold as it has been possible after reopening the old gold mine on such short notice. However, there is only so much gold left. I'm afraid our ancestors have been quite thorough in exploiting this vein.
I thought that this might be the case. It seems that we have to dig deeper and hope that we will find more gold there. We will need all possible resources to stand a chance against the undead invaders.
Venga. Espera a verme en acción.
What is this? These fellas are too drunk to fight? And I'm forbidden selling any ale wine while we're under siege? Where did this ale come from?
These are nothing other than the finest Pandaren spirits. These gentlemen over here challenged me into a drinking contest. Observing the shortage of appropriate beverages in the alehouse's supply, I took the liberty of sharing these fine spirits.
So it was you? Who are you, Panda?
Please, allow me to introduce myself, Your Highness. I am Jinto Reedwine, brewmaster from the Pandaren Empire. My investigations of dwarven alcoholic beverages led me here a few weeks ago. I must admit that the quality of your ales impresses me greatly.
I wonder if I should believe you. In any case, these fellas are of no use to me anymore.
Oh, don't worry. I can accompany you until they get themselves back together again.
In this situation, I need everybody who's capable of fighting. Your offer is accepted, Jinto.
Sí. Brillante.
¿Otra ronda?
Dame algo que hacer. Venga.
¿A trabajar?
You three over
Sí,
there,
comandante.
you are needed in the defense of the stronghold.
Edificio terminado.
Espera a verme en acción.
¿Qué necesitas?
¿Sí? Espera a verme en acción.
Welcome to the smithy, King Bury. Given the appropriate raw materials, I can quickly forge you new weapons and armor.
Dame algo que hacer.
I wonder if it's a good idea to venture outside. The undead army was reported to be quite sizable.
I recall a legendary Pandaren brewmaster, Mojo Stormstout, discussing a situation like this in his classic work, Spirit of War. He wrote, "When the enemy is far away, but tries to provoke hostilities, he wants you to move forward. If his position is accessible, it is because that is advantageous to him."
I think that means that they are trying to set a trap for us.
Sí. Espera a verme en acción.
Edificio terminado.
¡Fuera de mi camino!
Soy el tirador que buscas. ¿Sí, comandante?
Sí. Dame algo que hacer.
Investigación finalizada.
Dame algo que hacer.
¿Qué necesitas?
Espera a verme.
King Bury, I have repaired these 2 old battle golems as you ordered. Despite their immense age, I was able to put them into a full combat shape. The assault golem, however, is beyond ordinary repairs. It seems that the assault golem's power source has been depleted over centuries of use. Without a new one, it is impossible to use it to defend the stronghold.
It's a pity. The golem was once the stronghold's greatest weapon. I just wish the ancestors had manufactured more of these war machines. Mechanical constructs of such complexity are still beyond today's technological understanding.
Sí.
Soy el tirador que buscas. ¿Tienes un objetivo? ¿Sí, comandante? Yo me ocuparé de eso.
Allá voy. ¡A las armas!
Mejora completada.
Sí. Espera a verme en acción.
¿Qué bebes? ¡Te voy a reciclar!
Dame algo que hacer. ¡Fuera de mi camino!
You two in the shooting range. Follow me.
Espera a verme en acción.
¿Qué necesitas?
Espera a verme en acción. Dame algo que hacer.
Investigación
Allá
finalizada.
voy.
¿Sí, comandante? Soy el tirador que buscas.
Espera a verme en acción. ¡Brillante!
Your Highness, may I speak with you?
At ease, soldier. What is it?
Sir, we have undertaken defense preparations. We have removed some statues from the entrance and made foundations for a defensive cannon network. However, while given an excellent place to fire on the invaders, the network is also quite difficult to build. Finishing the cannons would cost 1,000 gold and 600 lumber.
Good work, soldier. I'll inform you if I decide to build those cannons. Was there anything else?
Yes, sir. We can also set up a minefield in the entrance area. Goblins are willing to smuggle in 6 landmines at the price of 600 gold. Sir, I'm afraid there are not enough resources. Would you like to order something else?
Sí.
¿Qué necesitas? ¿Sí, comandante? Vale. ¡Chupaos esa, peleles!
Dame algo que hacer.
¿Tienes un objetivo? ¿Qué necesitas? Investigación
Venga.
finalizada.
Espera a verme en acción. Dame algo que hacer. Allá voy.
Soldier,
Soy el
you are
tirador
released
que
of your
buscas.
guard duty. I need you in defending the stronghold. Soldier,
Espera a
you
verme
are
en
released of
acción.
your guard duty. I need you in defending the stronghold.
¿Qué necesitas?
Dame algo que hacer.
Soy el tirador que buscas. Yo me
Dame
ocuparé
algo
de
que
eso.
hacer.
Soy el tirador que buscas. ¿Qué necesitas?
Espera a verme en acción.
¿Sí, comandante?
Sí. ¡Fuera de mi camino! ¡Venga! Sí. Espera a verme en acción.
What do you desire, sir? The towers have been constructed, sir. Do you desire something else?
¿Tienes un objetivo?
¡Dame algo que hacer! Allá voy.
Investigación finalizada.
¡Brillante! ¡Fuera de mi camino! Sí. Espera a verme en acción.
Investigación finalizada.
¿Tienes un objetivo?
¡Dame algo que hacer!
Investigación finalizada.
¡Allá voy!
This leads to the old sewers of Ostromod. They've been lately inhabited by kobolds and other monsters, so we don't know what exactly is going on down there.
¿Sí? ¡La muerte viene a por vosotros! Los voy a machacar.
de sed, ¿no?
Espera a verme en acción. Dame algo que hacer.
¿Otra ronda?
Sí.
¿Qué bebes?
Dame algo que hacer.
¿Tormenta a la vista?
Espera a verme en acción.
Nos morimos de sed, ¿no?
Dame algo que hacer. ¡Venga! ¡Brillante! ¡Mirad esto! ¡Fuera de mi camino! ¡Allá voy! ¡La muerte viene a por vosotros! Espera a verme en acción.
Soy el tirador que buscas.
¡Atacan a nuestras fuerzas!
¡A las armas! ¡Los voy a machacar!
Investigación
Mirad
finalizada.
esto.
Investigación
Brillante.
finalizada.
¡Oh! ¿Sí, comandante?
¡Atacan a
¡Dame
nuestras
algo que
fuerzas!
hacer!
¿Qué necesitas? Lo pongo en tu comandante.
Espera a verme en
¿Tienes un
acción.
objetivo?
¡Dame algo que hacer!
Soy el tirador que buscas. Es hora de irse. ¿Qué necesitas?
¡Voy como un
Soy
rayo!
el tirador
¿Sí?
que buscas.
¡Venga! ¡Venga!
¿Qué necesitas?
¡Atacan a nuestras
Espera a verme en
fuerzas!
acción. Espera a verme en acción.
¿Tienes un objetivo?
¿Sí?
Sí, comandante.
Dame algo que hacer.